It's the season of apples. Let's make apple crumble. To make apple crumble, we will need 3 medium chopped apples, 1 cup maida, 3/4 cup butter, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, half cup walnuts, 3/4 cup sugar, and a splash of water. To begin with, we'll start by cooking our apples. We will add a teaspoon of butter, and just a tiny splash of water. We'll let it cook for about 5 minutes. The apples have started to soften. Now it's time to add sugar and cinnamon. We'll let it cook for a few minutes more. This is done. I'll let it cool for a while and move on to the next step. To make the crumble, we will need maida. To this we'll add the sugar and butter. Make sure the butter is really cold. Now I'll mix it with my hands. Make sure it is like breadcrumbs. It looks like breadcrumbs. It's done. Time to assemble it. We'll take a slightly deep dish. Make sure it's not too big. On top of this go our walnuts. Now time for our crumble. Now this will go in a preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees. There it is, my perfect apple walnut crumble. Crisp on the outside and soft inside. Time to try it. Heavenly, you must try it at home. Please like and subscribe my channel Tiffin Tales.